The following is a conversation with His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, recorded on 12th September 1972 in Dallas.
That's a long Yeah, I was learning it before with a Sanskrit teacher.
Now you do not know.
I know some of them now.
Can you write?
Yeah. Like them?
That right here. Tall by moving his hand. And it is perfect the next. So he should practice for 2-3 hours daily. And similarly, each and every student should be called and taught. And the class is gone for 3 hours. Unless he is perfect in writing, the next letter should not be taught. This is God. So you have to fill up this and see the teacher, certain teacher, whether it is perfect or not. This is the way. Similarly, A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3, everything should be written, and you must know this is one. And at the end of the class, they should chant just like 2 multiplied by 2 equal to 4. Chant it.
2 multiplied by 2 equal to 4.
2 multiplied by 3 equal to 6.
2 multiplied by 3 equal to 6.
2 multiplied by 4 equal to 8.
2 multiplied by 4 equal to 8.
Then up to 10, 22, 23, 24, they should learn immediately, they will say. So that when they multiply by practice, immediately 2 into 2 is 4. At the end of the class, this will be done for half an hour. Chanting, multiplication, practicing. Similarly, daily 2-3 pages, every student should write. And the teacher should see. And when it is right, then sign, yes, it is all right. The next lesson. They should learn ABCD and Sanskrit is A, Va, E, U, U, V, L, V, A, I, O. Ka, Kha, Ga, Ga. It is all there. It means studying the division. Is that all right? So we will teach Sanskrit. We will teach English. We will teach English. We will teach English the same way. And somebody will teach mathematics. We will teach. That's all right. So one teacher English, one teacher Sanskrit, one teacher mathematics. Each student should be called and practice. So as I have called him, I can call another 10 students I can take attention. And in one finish he goes to his exercise. Engage in exercise for 2 hours, 3 hours. In this way. Is that all right?
He has a question behind
Huh?
this question.
Yeah.
The others, when they're not.
Come here. I'll come back.
The other children, while one child is teaching, the other children
how will they be engaged?
Practice.
Practice.
All the other children.
Yes.
In other words, you would be teaching one child at a time. Then the others, they're also practicing doing this.
Yes. Just like he has been given lesson, he will go on practicing. The next student are practicing. Other practicing, other.
He's asking while the first one is being taught, the others should practice what they have already learned?
Yeah. That is good.
And the little children, they be in the same class as the older children?
No. Suppose he has learned Hava, so he is elder. So he can be given E, U, U, what does it stand? The others should be given the beginning instruction.
So, for instance, everyone takes Sanskrit.
Everyone should.
Everyone takes Sanskrit. in the same
Everyone
way.
should be taught Sanskrit, everyone should be taught English. Same. Give him lesson, let him practice, let another come. Give him lesson, let him practice.
Then the younger children, they're just learning the A, B, C, and the others are learning further.
Yes,
The older ones.
yes. So everyone will be engaged. Yes. Simply one teacher is taking care of 10. That's all.
In the English class, you would like it if the older students studied your book and learned all the vocabulary and all the how to just how to understand your book. Is that how you have the English class?
No, they must have first reading book. Some first reading book. Just like A and D and is better. All of a sudden it will be one. You must know syllable. A N T and A N D and A C T and like that. So A B and A C and A D and A T and like that. That he learns A, then add another alphabet. A B and A C and. In this way, let them practice. So compose syllable. Then A C T and A double D and A P and. What do you mean?
Previously, we've had the children writing purports, the Srimad Bhagavatam lectures in the morning. The older children, they know how to write, but their vocabulary has to be increased. So we've been taking vocabulary, like I've been getting vocabulary words, maybe 20, 25 vocabulary words. They've been using it in their purports. That's why we're encouraging them reading and writing. Srimad
That's all right,
Bhagavatam.
but they must know how to make syllables. First book of reading, they should be given. Just like ABCD.
Yeah.
Try to form words from A, B, C, D. Like that. I don't think immediately our book will not be suitable. They can hear, or after hearing they can write in their own words. But unless they know how to set up letters, how do you write? So this first lesson should be given both in Sanskrit and English.
Each student's progress is individual,
Yeah.
no matter what age.
No, that doesn't matter. Whatever he learns, he must learn it positively. Not that because he has advanced in age, therefore he should be advanced. No. He should be given chance. It doesn't matter what is the age. But everyone should be engaged. They should be given exercise. The teachers should, they are not idly sitting or talking. If they are playing, no. In the classroom, no play. You must be engaged with reading or writing.
Stick. Each one carries.
Yes, and you must have stick. What is that? That's a big stick. Yes, two sticks can be used, one for head, one for hand. Those who are too naughty on the head, I tell you. Anyone who is very naughty on the head, and one is less naughty on the hand. So two is good. Yeah. And the stick is for the teacher. If the teacher cannot teach nicely, then I said, yeah.
How much time can we give the boys to run and jump in the park? Should they have time to run and jump in the park every day? And how much?
Say 1 hour.
That's our own park too. Our park.
Yes. They can play, jump, chant Hare Krishna dance. Play like cow has 1 hour. So they should be engaged 3 hours in the morning when class begins.
9:15.
9:15 to 12:30 in the morning, and the evening from 3 to 6. They must have enough engagement in time.
Prabhupada, about the Sankirtan activities for the children?
No. They may perform Sankirtan here in the temple. They can dance. They should not go outside. That is their waste of time. No, they should not go.
They see too many others.
No. They should not go outside. They should have their Sankirtan according to our Bharati, and especially 1 hour jumping and playing in the park.
Should they attend all the adult classes, all the adult scripture classes as well?
Not necessary.
But in the teaching.
But they can join the chanting and dancing. Adult chanting and dancing. So they can sit down. They may hear and join the chanting and dancing. Not, they can join, they are not join. But they may not create this time.
Most of the girls are very attracted to dressing their babies and tending to their babies. Most of the girls are attracted to
That is extra, not in the school. Not in the school.
But they can do that.
They can do extra. They can paint pictures or do that extra. But they must give their, every day, they must be prepared to give their lessons nicely. It is not that they are not writing. You give them tasks. You write 10 pages like this. They must present 10 pages. Not that they wasted time in tracing the deity and did not write it. No. That 10 pages must be present. Otherwise, they will be broken. Yeah. It's sticky. I tell you, break their head. There is no need of keeping such head. Yeah. Stick it. They must present 10 pages daily. Otherwise, break their head, I tell you. Yeah. You all remember, if you don't leave your task daily, nicely, your head should be broken.
This is what? Prabhupada.
And they should be, must be strictly disciplined. They cannot make any howling bowling within the class. They must be engaged 3 hours in the morning.
They must sit properly and
Sit properly and not that as much. Yeah, sit there.
Yeah.
But they must walk properly.
Or the little children, they become very restless sometimes when they sit for a long time.
Huh?
The little children, they become very restless.
That is that we have to teach them. Like 3 hours they can sit. They cannot be there. They must walk 3 hours. Otherwise, how they will train them?
Prabhupada, how do we engage the children when we are chanting japa in the morning?
Eh?
They are playing when we chant japa. They play. How can we engage them? Early morning when we chant japa.
They can ask them. If not, let them play. After attending Mangala Arati, they should be given to eat some prasadam. They play. Or if they play, there is no harm. You chant. But they must attend their class. So if they not like, follow this. So I will come again tomorrow and see how it is.
Yeah.